impact IITians have had in every walk of life is unprecedented. And the reason for that is very simple. The quality of faculty, the quality of the curriculum, the pedagogy, the research-based education that they have, all of this, I think, create some of the best leaders in every walk of life in the world today, and their impact across every multinational corporation, every research lab, every leadership position that you can think of around the world is unprecedented, and that's the reason why you should look at IIT when you think about research and when you think about education. Just look at what is happening during COVID again. The vaccines, for example. India is today has the capacity to manufacture and supply vaccines to the entire world. In fact, the largest manufacturing capability for vaccines will be in India. And why is it so? The technology and the technical capability exists here. The scientists are here. But the most important thing is the affordability of the product that comes out of India. I believe India is the best place to do the research, and this is the best time to do the research because we are at the beginning of the next wave of transformation, the next wave of wealth creation, and that $80 trillion can go to maybe $200, $300 trillion, and you have the opportunity to make that indeed happen.
So we really appreciate this program, the DIA program, and thank you very much for the opportunities for our students. Currently, I think Indonesian students is among the most numbers in getting this doctoral fellowships in India for ASEAN countries. As we also know that many startups based on technology sprang up in the regions, especially in India and Indonesia and many ASEAN countries, are based on millennials with mastery in technology and creativity, with local wisdoms and cultures that we see very vibrant in India and ASEAN countries. We share a very deep roots in terms of culture, in terms of society. So we do believe that these collaborations, this program, the DIA program, can really strengthen the collaborations between India and ASEAN countries and will together develop the economy of the regions.
Doctoral fellowships in ASEAN program, or the DIA program, of which we are attending the summit today, with a budget of $45 million, remains the single largest initiative under the India-ASEAN Cooperation Framework. It's a very ambitious program, and it underlines the importance that we attach to constructively engaging our youth who are at the forefront of creation, application, and consumption of new technologies. IITs have created a brand for themselves which is synonymous with excellence. IIT alumni are gracing the finest labs, companies, universities around the world. And so I'm confident that the DIA program will provide ASEAN students, researchers and scholars a world-class opportunity and platform to realize their full potential.